So the scope of our project here was to build this 60 by 120 foot building. We call it a barn, but it is a lot more than that. There's no animals in here besides our family. Our overall experience working with our builder, which was Kingland Construction Services, was very, very satisfying. With Kingland, we were able to address any issues or concerns that we had, make change orders very easily, and adapt to what we felt in the moment needed to be changed. The initial planning phase for this particular building was really quite simple. We provided a drawing of what we wanted to be. We turned that over to our builder, our dealer, and then he sent that to EPS, and they came back very quickly with a good plan. Every moment that they were on site, they were professional. They kept us informed of what was going on, what they were doing, and if they ever needed anything, they were very quick to let me know. This was kind of a once-in-a-lifetime project for us, but I can say there have been other entities in the region. Sometimes they'll stop in, they'll ask what kind of building that was. I'll give them a tour and tell them about the process, and I know that that has turned into some additional projects for our builder and for EPS. I was very pleased with the openness to working with our preferences for doors and windows and finishes and all of the different things that we decided to change up and make this project our own. The primary thing that I think stands out about our project, particularly with EPS, is the speed in which we were able to assemble this building. Once it was put together, it was holding heat, keeping out the cold, it was efficient. That was the key factor for us, is how can we build a building like this in a timely fashion, ultimately save money because of the extra steps we didn't have to take because the panels came insulated, they were well prepared for receiving electrical. And so the speed of the project was really number one factor that we considered. So if I could talk to myself when we were considering this project, so one, you absolutely made the right decision, and two, have a little bit of patience because it's well worth it in the end. I would absolutely recommend our builder, and I would recommend EPS to anybody that was serious about making an energy efficient building for a long period of time.